Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you some beaded pens that I'm making for some of the Valentine swaps I'm in. And I got these off Amazon, and you just go to the search bar and just type in beadable pens. So I bought a set of silver ones, and then I bought these pink ones. And they also come with a package of refills. So with each pen I give out, then I will put a refill with it. And they're really good pens. I like how they write. So let's see. Can you see here? These are the ones that I have done. I needed to make 7 because I'm in, that's how many items I need for the swaps I'm in. So here's 6. Yeah, and so I thought I'd save the last one so that we could make it together so that you can see how easy this is. So, and have you guys been to Target for Valentine's, and have you seen the bubblegum machines this year? Okay, here's the bubblegum machines in the past, or this might even be from Hobby Lobby, but Target this year came out with these cute jars that look like popcorn carts. So I always put my beads in these. I think it's a cute way to store them. And then I just line them up in my windowsill in my craft room. So the beads that I'm using for these pens, they're all wood. And I got them on Amazon. I just typed in wood beads. I think I typed in Valentine wood beads because these right here, these are the ones I bought for Christmas. So here's the Valentine ones here. Only these that have XO, I don't know where I got those. I had those in my stash. So anyway, so the way these pens are turning out, you don't have a lot of space right here to put a lot of beads. So, and you want to make sure that when you put your beads on and you screw the lid on, you want it to be pretty tight. You don't want it to be all loose. So this is the combination that I came up with that fits really well and makes it tight, okay? So we're going to take a pen here, take it out of the plastic. I just throw the plastic away because I'll think of a cute way to package these with my swaps, which when I do that, I will share that on a video with you. Gosh, I am yawning. I've got the yawns tonight. So here's my pen. And it doesn't matter what order you go in. I think I'll put this pink one on and then this red one. And these heart ones, these also came in the package with these wood ones. I think they're adorable. So then I needed to fill up a little, well, okay, let me back up. So what I've done here is I've taken 3 jump rings and I've put them on a little lobster clasp. Okay, so that's going to be what holds the charm. So I just put that in the very last ring. Okay, and then I just have a tiny bit of space to fill up. So I just happen to have had these red beads. These are rubber. So you screw it on right at the beginning, and then once you get past the little screw part, then it just slides right down. So you just slide that down as tight as it'll go. Okay, and I like to keep the hook part in the front so that I can put the charm on and the charm will show. So then you just take your cap and you're just going to screw that on and get it. I mean, you don't have to get it so tight that something breaks, but you want it to be nice and snug, as tight as you can get it. And see, that's really good because it doesn't move around loosely. And then these pens are just the twist type. So to open and close them, you just twist. So here's my clasp. So I've jabbed some jewelry pliers down underneath my thumbnail, so my thumb's really sore. So I probably can't pull that little clippy on the lobster clasp with that hand. I'll have to do it with this hand. And then this is the hand that's been bothering me since I had my discs fused in my neck, so I don't have a lot of grip. Oh gosh, I just feel like I'm a little basket case here with my health issues, but I mean, it certainly could be worse. Okay, so I'll just get that where I can hold it. Okay, and then these tassels I also got from Amazon, and you can get these at, I've seen them at Joann's and Hobby Lobby. So just pull that little clasp back. Yeah, easier said than done, huh? Maybe if you don't have issues with your hand, you can do it easier. And then just clasp it on. And then, you know, I was thinking it might even still be cute to get a couple of more charms and put on some jump rings and hook right here in this little hole here. So I may decide to do that. I don't know, but aren't they cute? And this pen, look at this cute pen holder. Let me get this out of the way. This pen holder, I got these on Amazon, and I think, oh, I put them in a drawer, but I think it came with like, I want to say 3 or 4 of these in a package, and they were not expensive at all. So I thought this would be cute for holding pens when I'm putting the beads on. And, oh, sorry, you guys. And to display them when I'm showing you my video. So that's adorable, isn't it? And then I do craft shows too. So if I do some beaded pens for Christmas craft shows next year, I can display them in these little holders. It's just plastic, and it goes together so easy. There's the bottom piece, 2 side pieces, and then you just put the top on. But isn't that cute? I love it. And see, wasn't that simple? So now, if you want, you can get on Amazon and just type in beadable pens, and then you can type in tassels for jewelry making, and you can type in Valentine wood beads, and then you'll just need some kind of little bead here. I may have gotten these little red ones. I probably either got those at Michael's or Joann's, I'm guessing, because I got them last year. But anyway, I was excited to show you those. I think they're absolutely adorable. So I hope you like this video, and please come back for another one. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.